Building a tiny house on wheels or tow is an exciting yet complex journey that requires thorough planning, patience, and a keen eye for detail. Let's walk through the entire process step by step from the very beginning to the final task. And this illustration is about the AI picture. Okay, and then the first planning and design. Begin with a clear vision. Define the purpose of your tiny house. Is it for full-time living, a vacation home, or an office space? And you have to consider the number of occupants, storage needs, and any special features you want. And then for the next, sketch out rough ideas for or use design software to create blueprints. Focus on space optimization and then ensuring multifunctional areas and incorporating vertical storage solution. And don't forget to plan for essential system like plumbing, electricity, and insulation. And for the second, it's about the budgeting and legal consideration. It's about establish a budget by calculating costs for materials, tools, appliance, and labor if hiring professional. Include a buffer for unexpected expenses and research local regulation and zoning laws. Since a tow is both a home and a vehicle, ensuring it complies with road safety standards. Size limitation, usually 8.5 feet wide and 13.5 feet tall in the US, and building codes, and then obtain any necessary permits. And then for the third, trailer selection and preparation. The trailer is the foundation of your tow. Choose a high quality heavy duty trailer with a strong frame, as this will support the entire structure. Popular choice including utility trailers, gooseneck trailers, and flatbed trailers. And then prepare the trailers by cleaning and applying rust resistant paint, and then install a waterproof subfloor and ensure the trailer is level before proceeding. And then the fourth, it's about framing the structure. Using your blueprint, construct the floor frame, securing it tightly to the trailer. Build the wall frame separately, and then lift and bolt them into place. Consider using lightweight yet sturdy material like steel framing or traditional lumber. And then ensure the walls are square and plumb, and roof trusses, making sure they slope for water drainage. And then secure everything firmly, and then checking for structural integrity. And then for the fifth, it's about the seating and waterproofing. Cover the exterior walls with plywood or OSB or oriented strand board setting. This adds strength and forms a base for insulation and siding. And then wrap the house with a weather-resistant barrier like house wrap to protect against moisture, and tape all seams and edges carefully. And then for the sixth, it's about the important things. The sixth is about the roof installation. This is you have to choose roofing materials. Metal is popular option for its durability and lightweight. Install roofing panels, ensuring the proper overlap for water runoff, and then flash the edge to prevent leaks. And then for the seventh, it's about the windows and doors, and you have to cut precise openings for windows and doors. Install them using waterproof flashing and sealant, and then ensure they are level, secure, and properly insulated. And for the eighth step, it's about the insulation and ventilation. The insulate the wall. You have to insulate the wall, floor, and roof using material like spray foam, rigid foam boards, or fiberglass beds. And then consider your climate when selecting insulation to ensure your round comfort. And then add a ventilation system to prevent moisture buildup. And option include roof fans, exhaust fan, and even heat recovery ventilator or HRV for better air circulation. And then for the ninth, Electrical and plumbing system. You have to plan your electrical layout and decide on outlet placement, lighting fixture, and appliance needs. Run electrical wiring through wall cavities. Keep it safe and secure. And for plumbing, install pipes for fresh water, gray water, and black water system, ensuring connection are tight, and add water heater, pump, and filtration system if need. And then for the 10th step, it's about the interior finishing. You have to cover wall and ceiling with material like wood paneling, shiplap, or drywall, sand, prime, and paint surfaces. And then you have to install flooring, light lightweight option like vinyl plank, cork, or laminated work well for toes. And then for the 11th step, it's about the furnishing and storage. You have to build custom furniture tailored to your space. Consider foldable tables because a foldable table are important to space saving in your home. And then consider about the loft beds and hidden storage compartments. And then you have to maximize every inch by adding shelves, wall books, and underbed storage. Then for the 12th step, it's about exterior siding and final touches. You have to apply the exterior siding with wood, metal, or composite material work well. Paint or stain the siding or to waterproof and personalize your home. Okay, and then for the 13th step, it's about the testing and adjustment. Before your home hitting the road, you have to test all system, plumbing, electricity, HVAC to ensure everything works perfectly and properly, and checks for leaks, electrical shorts, and any loose fittings. And then for the 14 steps, it's your tiny house on wheel are ready to roll. Finally, secure your tow for transport. Check the trailer's tires, brake, and hitch. Distribute weight evenly to maintain balance on the road. Then, with dedication and careful planning, building a tiny house on wheels transform from a daunting project into a rewarding adventure. Then, whether you are seeking freedom, minimalism, or a mobile lifestyle, your tow will be a cozy, functional space tailored to your dreams.